How to secure your NAS from hackers. Network-attached storage, NAS, systems are powerful tools for data storage and file sharing, especially for businesses and tech-savvy individuals. However, if not properly secured, they can become easy targets for hackers. In this guide, we explore essential strategies to protect your NAS device from unauthorized access, ransomware, and data breaches. First, always change the default login credentials and use strong, unique passwords. Many attacks succeed simply because users leave default settings unchanged. Next, keep your NAS firmware and software up to date. Manufacturers regularly release security patches to address known vulnerabilities. Enable your NAS firewall and only open essential ports. If you must access your NAS remotely, use a secure VPN connection instead of exposing it directly to the internet. Disable any services or applications that are not in use, and limit user access permissions based on roles or necessity. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection, especially for admin accounts. Regularly back up your NAS data to an external device or secure cloud storage in case of a ransomware attack. Monitoring and alert features are also important. Enable logging and receive notifications about unusual login attempts or file access behavior. Some NAS devices offer built-in antivirus tools. Enable and update them regularly. By taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your NAS being compromised. Whether you're using NAS at home or in a business environment, security should always be a top priority. Protect your data. Stay updated. Stay secure.